Getting the Mfplat.dll missing error on Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you two fixes to resolve this issue. Let's get your system back on track. Search optional features in Windows Search. Now, check Media Features option and click OK. Search for command prompt on the Windows search bar and right-click on the icon. Select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter to run it. dism/online/enable feature, feature name, Media Playback exit command prompt, and restart the system. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.